First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the same, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message, from the veins, speaking my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through the all the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. Hey, you made me a believer, believer. Pain, I let the bullets fly, I let them rain. My luck, my love, my God, they keep pain. My soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me, took to me, shook to me, feeling me, singing my heartache. From the pain, taking my message, from the veins, speaking my lesson, from the brain, seeing the beauty through the
comme l'oiseau de Twitter, on est bleu de lui seulement pour 48 heures. D'abord on s'affilie, ensuite on se follow, on en devient fêlé et on finit solo. Prends garde à toi. Et à tous ceux qui vous like, les sourires en plastique sont souvent des coups d'hashtag. Prends garde à toi. Ah les amis, les potes ou les followers, vous faites erreur, vous avez juste la cote. Prends garde à toi. C'est comme ça qu'on s'aime. Et c'est comme ça qu'on s'aime. Et c'est comme ça qu'on s'aime. Comme ça qu'on somme. Et c'est comme ça qu'on s'aime. Comme ça qu'on somme. L'amour est enfant de la consommation. Il faudra toujours plus de choix. Voulez-vous des sentiments tombés du camion? L'offre et la demande pour unique et seule loi. Prends garde à toi. Mais j'en connais déjà les dangers. Moi j'ai gardé mon ticket. Et s'il le faut je vais les changer moi. Prends garde à toi. Et s'il le faut j'irai me venger moi. Cet oiseau de malheur je le mets en cage, je le fais chanter moi. Prends garde à toi. Si tu t'aimes, garde à moi. Et c'est comme ça qu'on s'aime. Et c'est comme ça qu'on s'aime. Et c'est comme ça qu'on s'aime. Comme ça qu'on somme. Et c'est comme ça qu'on s'aime. Comme ça qu'on somme. Un jour t'achètes, un jour tu aimes, un jour tu jettes, mais un jour tu payes, un jour tu verras, on s'aimera, mais avant on crèvera tous. comme des rats.
Candy shopping with you just to see you call me insane. As long as you call me, I ain't gonna lose my brain. It's a shame. What love's got to do with it? It's such a shame. What love's got to do with it? Who you gon' run to? Who you gon' blame? Who you gon' call? Ain't it such a shame? It's such a shame. What love's got to do with it? I've been vibing to this rhythm that just won't stop. Come on. Right into the stigma of the worry, this just won't stop. Come on. Capping Mary Jane just to get back through it. Thanks to the heavens, cause you got me through it, through the pain that love had to deal with it. Who you gon' call? Who you gon' blame? Shawty don't answer, shawty no pain. I learned it through the lovers that just won't stop. Come on. I had to move on, cause I know I'm top notch. You got me crazy, you got me insane. As long as you call me, I ain't gonna lose my brain. It's a shame. What love's got to do with it? It's such a shame. What love's got to do with it? Who you gon' run to? Who you gon' blame? Who you gon' call? Ain't it such a shame? It's such a shame. What love's got to do with it? Such a shame. Ain't it such a shame? Ain't it such a shame? You're grounded on personified perceptions of his freedom train. Baby, I take blame. Not seeing eye to eye, but you are, I turned a blinded game. You bitches in the frame. Never will you ever need to love another. Need another love in your life. Loving on your love like it's the love you needed, right? In your life. Need you in your life. Such a shame. It's such a shame. It's such a shame. Poetry on the mic.
Hey my beauties, how you guys doing? Happy Valentine's Day. This Valentine's Day is this week. By the time I put this, it will probably be Valentine's Day or before Valentine's Day. I don't know yet. We'll see. So I want to wish everybody a happy Valentine's Day. Go outside with your lover. Do what you gotta do. Because you know it's fucking Valentine, bitches. Okay. So I'm not gonna keep you guys for long. Thank you guys so much for watching this Valentine's Day video. I hope you like it, cause I love it. I was like, oh, who's this bad bitch? I was like, oh, that's me. That's me. That can be you too. So I hope you guys like this look. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Right. Bye my beauties. Bye.